Hey guys, today I'm going to remove the hob head ductor from the stereo tube expander. Are you having a hard time removing the expander? The hob head ductor is an adjustable standard system. It should be easy to install and remove compared to the conventional standard. However, the expander had a very tight fit in my stereo tube extender, and it makes it very difficult to remove after some time. Here are the tools you need. WD-40, stamp, headset cap and bolt. Before you begin, loosen the expander. Spray WD-40 around the edge. Install half of the stamp to the stereo tube. Make sure to leave enough space for the expander to come out. Insert the headset cap and bolt. Tighten it to pull it out. The rubber ring has to be replaced. And finally, clean up any residue or lubricant before inserting a new standard or headset expander.